This video will demonstrate how to mount the Tork Xpressnap stand dispenser to the wall. This option allows you to free up counter space for key point-of-sale items. To wall mount the dispenser, use the mounting template provided and tape it to the wall to mark the spots where you will be inserting the screws. Be sure the template is level before you begin drilling. Drill your 4 starter holes directly through the template as shown. Next, take your dispenser and align with the holes you just drilled. Start your number 8 screws manually, leaving about 1/8 inch between the screw head and the wall. Slide the dispenser down so that it rests securely on the screws. Take your drill and tighten the screws completely. Fill your dispenser with Tork Xpressnap napkins and you're ready to go.